Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. Today we are unboxing my new diver below 10,000 ringgit. Nope, not this diver here. So let's get straight to it. So, about that diver. More than a month ago, I made this video about my search for a dive watch below 10,000 ringgit, where I explored Seiko, baume, and Oris, and I said this. To me, a dive watch must be tough and sturdy, legibility has to be good, the movement has to be dependable, it must be practical as well, and of course, looks is important too. If you'd like to view the rest of that video, I'll put a link in the description below. So I've limited my options to the watches seen in that video and the Longines Hydro Conquest. As I've also said in that video, this watch must be able to take intense beating more than your everyday beater watch. So I've decided to take this one here. Yes, another Seiko. What can I say? They are becoming more and more popular these days, and they do make pretty good watches. Anyway, let's just get straight to it. You first remove this outer box here by lifting it up. In there, you have the watch manual. This is the warranty manual, where it has the certificate of guarantee card in it. This is the inner case, which is white, which looks pretty good. I mean, it looked more prestigious compared to a lot of the case for the Seiko Presage line. So did you manage to guess which watch this is? It's the Seiko Prospect SPB 103J1, also known as the Seiko Sumo Green. Apparently, the reason this line here is called the Sumo, it's because of the 12 o'clock marker here, which resembles the mawashi, which is an underwear worn by sumo wrestlers. I find it humorous that Seiko will allow such name to stick to its watches because there's a correlation with lingerie here. I mean, imagine if one were to nickname this watch as the Victoria's Secret. Anyway, this is a pretty robust and sturdy watch. It is also very good looking. Here's a shot of it next to my Rolex Submariner. This Rolex here is 40mm in diameter, and you will see that the Seiko isn't that much bigger compared to it, even though the Seiko is 45mm in diameter. My first impression of this watch is, I really love the green. Unlike the Rolex Hawk, this is a more versatile watch, because under certain lighting, it can be regarded as a black or a green watch. So what do you think? Do you think I've made the right choice? Which watch would you pick that is below 10,000 ringgit? Let me hear at the comments below. I'll definitely do a more in-depth review video on this at a later stage, after I first remove all those extra links and stickers so that I can wear it. If you like this kind of video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to support me, and I'll really appreciate it, and I promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.